So I did an interview this morning with Boston Globe. I've been doing interviews for the past couple of days because the article that dropped on Monday from NBC-2, Ryan did a great job. Unfortunately, there was some content in there that was inaccurate. We did not file a lawsuit against the state of Florida, and we are not attempting to block the recreational bill that's been potentially put on the ballot through the Smart and Safe bill, which is sponsored by Truly, the biggest dispensary here in Florida. All we did was we asked the Supreme Court if we could submit our opinion through an amicus brief, which literally will support the state and draw a fine line separating medical from recreational. Okay, what happens when recreational passes? Medical and recreational kind of intertwine, and the medical patient will usually suffer, at least for the first couple of years, until inventory replenishes. The state of Florida could not handle recreational right now if it passed, not even close. Okay, the inventory would drop dramatically, and the demand would increase, exponentially. So that's something to think about. Okay, so keep that in mind. But all we're attempting to do is draw a line and preserve the medical program. The interviewer asked me, "Aren't you just trying to preserve your interest in your business because you supply the card?" And well, we do facilitate the card. We work with doctors. We have locations all over the state. We've been in the space from the beginning. Let's talk about the beginning. We passed medical marijuana as a constitutional amendment back in 2016. 71% of voters passed it for patients who are suffering from debilitating conditions. These are patients who are seeking an alternative from the synthetic medicines that they're taking, and they want to use or incorporate medical marijuana as an alternative. What we've documented has been incredible. 85% of our patients are improving their quality of life, increasing their appetite, improving their sleep, lowering their anxiety. 67% of our patients get off the prescribed medications that they want to get off of, right? Those are incredible results, and we're literally part of such a positive impact within the community. Sign me up for that 10 times over. Once I saw the progress, I drained all my bank accounts and went all in. I created a platform, created a technology, built this company, spent millions of dollars doing it, spent thousands of hours doing it, and of course I want to preserve that. Right? Of course, I want to preserve the culture and the community and the patient-centric platform that we've built. These patients are making incredible progress. The state continues to come up with barriers and detours to try to block the easy access, and we continue to create technology to streamline that process so that it's not so archaic. These are people who are suffering, and if a bill is going to come along and try to step on the heads and bastardize that constitutional amendment that we passed for people who are suffering and just pave the way for money-driven recreational consumption, then we're going to stand up and be the voice for that patient. So excuse me and shame on me for actually standing up and fighting the good fight and doing what's right for our patients. We have 40,000 patients on our platform, 40,000 plus. We need to represent them. These people need a voice. A lot of them can't even talk. All right, so we are going to fight the good fight, and we will continue to represent for as long as we are in business and for as long as I'm above ground. So thank you for watching. Thank you for understanding the clarification. We are not trying to block recreational marijuana, and we are not filing a lawsuit against the state, but we will continue to fight the good fight on behalf of the patients that we represent. Share this video and like, comment, whatever you need, but have a great holiday as well, and thank you for watching. Take care.